Bathroom.
Cars.
I mean,
Closet.
I showed you guys my closet.
Love you.
Ken, you hear a new song. You're going to hear a new song on February 2nd. So very soon, you'll hear a new song. Why isn't my hair pink? Because I'm not wearing a wig right now.
It was a wig.
It is a wig. It will be pink again soon. Yes, it will grow back, don't worry.
I promise you.
It's gonna grow back.
A shrimp. My wig.
What? Who is holding the camera? Iggy. We're both called Iggy. His name's Iggy, and my name's Iggy. Two Iggies.
What other things? What other questions?
What else would you like to know? I have nothing in my fridge.
Nothing. Empty.
Empty. I'm bored.
Twerking. Lots of you want to see you twerk, that's for sure.
I'm not going to twerk. Sorry. Not gonna happen.
Not today.
Not today. Let's look at what I keep in my pantry. Nothing! Flour?
I mean,
Here's my snack selection. Look at that.
I'm always going in there stealing.
Iggy Azalea.
I already know.
Oh, here's all I love my plates. These are my kitchen display plates. They're the cutest. I love them. I love the snail one the most. It's my favorite one. I don't know why.
The snail is the cutest.
Oh, I have no real food in here.
That's so organized.
Yeah, honestly, I really cook a lot, guys. So it's like just flour and sugar and like actual ingredients that you make food with.
She cooks for me all the time.
I do cook for him.
So
all the
lucky.
time. I fry him chicken all the time, and he taste tests it. But here's where I keep like some of my snacks, I guess. Keep them in here. I like to keep my chips organized. Gotta organize like your flavors.
Do you have Australian snacks? I feel like you used to.
Yeah, I have these. Darrelly honeycomb. They are Australian. I have a whole.
Delish.
See, I've got a whole thing of them.
You used to have curly whirlies.
I did used to have curly.
Oh wait, there's one right there.
Really?
Is there? Oh shit, yeah, they're the best.
Yeah, I still have curly whirlies.
Now you know that they're there. They're gone.
I love them. That's so good.
They ruin our lives.
Yeah, I try not to eat those. Oh, I really like to eat peeled mango. Look how many boxes I have. It's like my obsession. Peeled mango as a snack, and then like when you open the box, you can see like my real problem because look how many packets of peeled mangoes are at each box. Like I have a million.
They are so delicious.
I just like them so much. I'm gonna have to put those away in a minute.
And I feel like you always think that they're going to be healthy.
But they're really not that. They're not that healthy. Here's all my spices. I take my spices very, very serious. I think probably the best spice is paprika.
Yeah.
I hope you guys agree. Paprika's like where it's at. Oh, mild paprika. It's a good one, guys. It makes everything delicious.
What's your favorite fried chicken spice?
You have to do a secret mix.
Oh, a secret?
Yeah. You gotta do garlic, a little thyme, some rosemary, white pepper, onion powder, a little bit of hot paprika. What else would I put in fried chicken? Oh, Johnny's pork and chicken seasoning. That's a good one. A bit of cracked black pepper, maybe? I don't know, you're gonna mix it up. Or, some Italian herb seasoning. That goes good in fried chicken sometimes.
What else do you cook?
What else do I cook?
Cake.
Cakes. I cook a lot of cakes.
So many cakes.
Yeah, tons of cakes. Lots and lots of cakes. But none today.
Wow, wow.
Yeah, sorry. So that's it. That's my house. How long have we been talking to you guys for? I feel like a while, right?
I don't know.
I wish my dogs were here. You guys have curly whirlies in England. I'm so happy for you, England. Everyone should have curly whirlies. They're delicious.
You guys like mac and cheese?
I don't know if there's a such thing as Australian fried chicken. I think fried chicken is just fried chicken. How often do...
We hang out with Demi.
Not very much because she's been so successful lately, but I love Demi. She's amazing. I see her whenever I can. She used to live down the street from me, but we both moved, so now she lives like an hour away from me. So...
You hung out with her at Pride or something like that, right?
Yes, she had a Pride party and I came to it, but we used to hang out a lot more than we do now because she used to be my neighbor and live on the same street as me, but now she lives a lot further away and she's pretty busy. But I love Demi, she's awesome.
So what about your cars? Should we show them that? They're asking.
Well, it's outside and it's pitch black, so you won't see my cars very well.
Yeah,
I'll show
that's
you my
true.
cars in the daytime.
We'll do another one
In
later.
the daytime we can show you them. That's that, I guess.
Shall we end this?
I suppose we should.
Bye, everybody.
Yeah, bye everybody.
See you guys soon.
See you guys soon. Sayonara, farewell.
Ciao, meow.
No! We can't end on chow meow.
What are we going to end on then?
How would a woodchuck chuck wood? Do I take a bath? I do take baths. We didn't really show you my bathroom. It's not that exciting.
It's
And
nice.
We might lose the connection. I guess we could go up there again if you guys weren't on there before.
You guys are making us work out.
Yeah, you're making us walk up the stairs again. Oh my god. Oh. Fuck. No, that's old.
It's old.
Yes, it's way more before. But hopefully we can have something to talk about. That's like, that'll be better, I think. Well, I have a blank room in here. It has nothing in it, but I'm going to build a music studio in it. It's going to be amazing. But right now, there's nothing. But one day, soon, this is going to be the room that I'm going to have my studio in. See, I'm keeping it blank so that I can, it's going to be my studio eventually. But right now, it's just nothing. But I'm going to build a studio in here. So that way I don't have to leave my house. I can just record stuff when I have ideas. I can just come here to my studio room and I can just record my own ideas instead of having to go to the studio. That's Roxanne with Raccoons. That's by Patrick Nagel. He's really cool. I love him. He's a great artist. And that's an original Patrick Nagel sketch. That one there. Here's my reading area there. I just love it so much. I love all the books and all the things in there. It's really nice.
I wish one of us could play the piano.
I wish one of us could play the piano too. So, I have to show you my pet. He's not here. Like I was telling you before, I don't like when birds come and they shit on your outdoor furniture. It's so annoying. So I went on Amazon Prime and I tried to get this hawk, but I don't know if it works. Like, let me get him. I fall off the roof. See, this is my enemy hawk.
Is it in?
I'll get him.
Oh my god. I was like, no. This is when she falls off the balcony in the live stream.
Yeah, this is my enemy hawk. It's awesome. I don't know if it works yet. I guess if you look down there, I think that like
It looks pretty
it looks
good.
pretty clean. I don't think many other little birds have been down there, so I think it's working. I got him for $10. He was a cheap pet. I'm pretty sure his name is Enemy Hawk. I love him. He works good. I'm gonna get like 5 more of him.
Yeah, he needs brothers and sisters.
I couldn't decide if I should get an owl or an enemy hawk, and I just felt like the name Enemy Hawk sounded like way more badass, so I got him, and it seems like it's been working so far. So he's my pet. He's the best. Should I put him back?
Yeah, he needs to go back to his house.
Yeah, he needs to go back to protecting my little courtyard.
Please don't fall.
Don't worry, I won't fall, guys. Look, I have a balcony here. See, I won't fall down. Don't worry, it's okay. What if I just fall off? Whoop!
On live? Oh.
I don't know how to get him back good, though. Yeah, he's still
Okay,
scary. That's still
okay.
scary, right? That's still still looks like a scary bird?
Terrifying.
Terrifying.
Even I'm scared.
Okay, good. Okay. Okay, I survived.
Okay. So,
I really just wanted to make sure that you saw my homework. Stuff too, like
oh
I have
yeah.
this ancient shark tooth. Pretty cool. And then I have a T-Rex tooth. Pretty cool.
Everything else is iced out.
I have some baby T-Rex teeth, but I turned them into necklaces. I don't know where I put them.
Oh god.
I don't know where my jewelry is. And if I did, I couldn't show you guys on Instagram Live because I can't show people on Instagram Live where I keep my jewelry. That would be kind of a bad idea.
It would be a very bad idea.
I can't tell you where I keep my expensive stuff. But I do have some more T-Rex teeth. And I have some more cool Poetic Justice pictures, which I have here. Some are of Janet Jackson. She's like, I love Janet. She's awesome. Let me turn the lights on in here. Why did not? I haven't turned them on. Oh, here they are. See? Janet, Poetic Justice, she's amazing. Keep them in my bedroom, if you can see her. Here's some of Pamela Anderson, up the top here. Love that, love her, she's awesome. Here's some Polaroids I have of Jim Carrey, here in Dumb and Dumber and Ace Ventura. It's of all his hairstyles that he had in his films. I like to collect Polaroids. It's kind of like one of my things I like to do. It's one of my hobbies, I guess. You could say, right, Iggs?
Well, yeah, I've been collecting about 50 million Polaroids.
Yeah.
Of you doing random shit.
Yeah, and I like neon lights, clearly, too. In my bedroom. They said that these would work. They did work. I like these because I think it gives my room a cool vibe. You kind of can't tell what they are, but it's like, this one's a woman's body, and then the other one's just a one-hearted rose. Pretty cool. Look, if you turn out the lights, I think it has a cool vibe in it.
Let's do it.
Oh, I can't. I would have to turn on these lights. Like, if you turn the lights on, it kind of gets like a little strip club-ish. You know?
Which is always a good thing.
Yeah, working on the vibe. Okay. Guys, see? If you turn the lights off, like, if you have like some sexy boyfriend, oh my gosh. See, it's getting moody. Ooh. Ooh. It's a mood now, it's a vibe, it's a big mood now.
So extra.
See my shoes Iggs made me wear? He made me wear fur slippers.
You just have to, for your house
I
tour.
was going to wear Ugg boots, but he said that I absolutely cannot wear Ugg boots.
You have to wear Ugg boots, not Ugg boots, and a silk robe.
Yeah, so that's why we're wearing our silk robes and our slippers, because Iggy said that we had to wear silk robes and slippers for a house tour. So here we are. But it was good to